Hi there and welcome. In this video, I'm gonna go over the science of getting rich. Review of the summary. So the summary is in the back of the book. Okay, this is Neville Goddard's book. So here, Science of Getting Rich. And what stood out to me was the thought of the advancing man, because I really didn't understand it, so I had to read it. And mind you, this is like I don't know, I don't want to say 100th time, but I've read this multiple times, read this book multiple times. I always come back to them because these are principles that all the masters teach, from Jesus Christ all the way back to Thoth. Read the chapter on wisdom. It talks about the law of attraction. Chapter on wisdom in the Emerald Tablets. And the New Testament, it's all over the place. It's kind of like repetition. I think Jesus understood that you had to see the same thoughts over and over and over again. So the Bible was always about faith and asking, you receive, believe you're receiving, you'll receive. Have faith as small as a mustard seed is all you need. Have faith and you'll move mountains, and all you need is, the size of a mustard seed. Okay, so the advancing thought, and quote, that the impression of increase will be communicated to all with whom he comes in contact. Again, quote, and this time a little longer, and he must so hold the advancing thought that the impression of increase will be communicated to all with whom he comes in contact. So the impression of increase is twofold. Let's start with the most challenging one, because if I was having struggles, then maybe you'll have a little struggle on it too. So let's clarify this. The advancing man or woman, okay, with advancing thought is one who knows he or she is rich, right? You're manifesting that which you want, what you desire, and you're already feeling it to be true. So when people come to you, they're already gonna feel the richness that you feel. So they're gonna feel that advancing thought, okay? They're gonna feel that advancing thought. I actually have a little quote here, okay? It says, quote, simply feel the faith and let it work out in every transaction. Let every act and tone and look express the quiet assurance that you are getting rich, that you are already rich. Words will not be necessary to communicate this feeling to others. They will feel the sense of increase in your presence and will be attracted to you again. Feel rich. Feel that you are getting even more rich. Okay? And you're giving that impression of increase, That comes with confidence. I call that Godfidence. You understand the laws of the universe, so you have that Godfidence in you. And it just radiates. Sometimes when you overdo it, people will kind of like, oh, why are you boasting? Why are you bragging? La 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 la. So it's kind of like it's okay if they tell you that. Maybe you are pushing it a little bit. So just hold that tone, that body language, that expression, that energy, that vibration. Okay, that impression of that you are an advancing man or woman. Now, the second one is giving more life in business transactions. So ask for a certain amount of money that gives more life. Okay, so here is the next one. Quote, see that you give them a use value greater than the cash value you are taking from them. Take an honest pride in doing this and let everybody know it, and you will have no lack of customers. Okay. I like kind of showing the amount of money people will receive, or the health they'll receive, or the money they'll save. Like, hey, look, you come with me and you're going to earn around $10,000 a month. All right. All you're investing is like $2,000. So that's it's a lot of money you're going to be gaining. That's fivefold, right? 500% increase is your investment. Of course, you got to be really confident that you know you're going to get the results. Most likely you are, because you have integrity. You must have integrity if you're watching this. Because I'm a person who used to not have integrity. Of course, I was young. I didn't understand the laws of the universe and karma, or the law of cause and effect, or the belief, you know. This is a belief. It's real. It's a law. Okay, so you get what you put out. Okay, it's a law. It's not a belief. It's a law. But you can put it in words, and you get what you put out. So I digress, and I want to go back to the book, Science of Getting Rich. All right, so understanding these laws get you what you are visualizing. Okay, that's why I came back to this book. Okay, so the last thing I want to share with you that really stood out to me, in addition to now understanding that part, is the threefold principles. Okay, and here it is. Quote, threefold principles to manifest. Okay, guarantee, okay, a manifestation. Quote, too much stress cannot be laid on the importance of frequent contemplation of the mental image, coupled with unwavering faith and devout gratitude. Okay, end quote. Contemplation of the mental image. So you must see yourself already in possession of it, okay? And assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled, like Neville Goddard says. In the book, there is an example of a man who wanted a new carpet. Okay, I believe it was a new carpet. So he saw the new carpet. It's been a while since I've read this, but I believe it's either a new carpet or a new home. So he walked around the new home, and then he got it. Okay. He used it in his imagination. He didn't see himself like working to buy it or asking somebody for it in imagination. It was already there. So let's say, for example, you want a couch. See the couch in your home already. Or see yourself sitting on the couch already. What I did to manifest this couch is I would come home and I would sit down on my chair, because I had like a folding chair, and I would say, wouldn't it be nice to have some couches? Wouldn't it be nice? And then I would close my eyes and see the couches. The color too. This color, it was like tannish, whitish. So it's a light color. Okay. And then gratitude. Be grateful for the things that you have. Profound gratitude throughout the day. Appreciation. Ask yourself, what do I appreciate in my life? All right. Appreciate yourself. Appreciate your life. And start from there. Think of, I love this example that Wes Watson said in his book. There are two prisoners. One is washing dishes and complaining about, why am I here, la la la. Just complaining. And another one is washing dishes, first day there, and he's grateful, saying, yeah, I'm so grateful I get to work, I get some money, I'm out of the cell, I'm working. Guess who do you think is gonna have better fucking results in life? The answer is simple. That's why gratitude is so fucking important, all right? So be grateful to a higher power, okay? And have faith in this higher power. God, or the creator of the universe, or whatever you want to call it, is very essential. It's the first thing in the summary of the Science of Getting Rich. Okay, I go to the end because it doesn't need to sell me on it anymore. Okay. Quote, this is the first part, the first clause. There is a thinking stuff from which all things are made, and which in its original state permeates, penetrates, and fills the interspaces of the universe. Okay? End quote. There is a thinking stuff from which all things are made. All right? That's the subconscious mind. That thinking stuff. And we're the conscious thinking entity, consciousness. All right? So use this information, apply it into your life. Think of the thing that you don't want, because knowing what you don't want, thinking of what you don't want points you to what you do want. And then you can start the creative process with gratitude, faith, and constant visualization. All right? And hold that advancing thought. And give more to everybody. Give more. Be kind. Kindness is giving. Kindness. Be kind. Be kind and loving to yourself. You know, set time to stay in silence. Do some gratitude, meditation, and listen to your higher self. Okay? There's a chakra activation meditation down below. Check it out. I love you. Until next time, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And it'll help the channel and will help people receive this information, okay? And share this. If this helped you, share it with somebody, okay? Because if it's resonating and it's helping you, it's going to help and it's going to resonate with others, okay? Until next time, I love you. Peace.